Good morning from AlphaCars, New Hampshire. My name is Tom. Today I'll give you a little tour of this 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI. And we currently have this car listed at $16,495. And when it left the factory in 2015, it carried a sticker price just over $31,000. Now the odometer reads just over 19,800 miles. You really wouldn't be able to notice. This car is in excellent shape. It's been very well cared for. Titanium beige metallic paint, still in excellent shape. Black pinstriping accents are just the same. All the chrome trim shows no signs of scratches, pitting, dents. And the dual 5-spoke 18-inch wheels show little to no signs of curb rash, or any damage for that matter. The tires have plenty of life left. We estimate about 80% of the life is left in these tires, so you get plenty of use out of those. This car does have a clean Carfax report. There was one prior owner before we took ownership. Now this car is perfect for those who commute quite often, but don't like to spend a lot of time at the gas station spending their money. Being a 2-liter diesel, this car is going to get you around 30 miles per gallon in the city and around 42 miles per gallon on the highway. Now those factors combined with a nice large fuel tank means this car is going to get you somewhere in the ballpark of 800 miles of range in one fill-up. There's not many cars on the road today that can boast that kind of range. So I'll start it up for you. You see, this car just over 19,800 miles. Now this is a keyless start. Engine start button, being a diesel, you need to wait for the glow plug to heat up. There it goes. Now you just put your foot on the brake, hold the start button, fires right up. You can see no warning lights. To be concerned of. I'm going to pop the hood for you, give you a look at the engine. Here it is. So this engine is mated to a DSG transmission by Volkswagen. It puts out about 150 horsepower and around 240 torque. Being a diesel, the torque is really what counts. This car gets up and goes whenever you need it to. It's perfect going through traffic. You can see everything in the engine is in great shape. All the tanks, all the lines, everything is clean. It's been well cared for and serviced by reputable dealerships. Close this down, I'll give you a look at the interior. So this car does not have the standard radio. This does have an infotainment system here. So through the screen you can control your radio, media, your phone connection, navigation. Down here on this control panel you can see the climate controls. This includes your heated seats with 3 settings. And here's your shifter. Again, engine start button, keyless start. Key is in my pocket. You can see this brushed aluminum trim all throughout the interior. Still in excellent shape. Really looks like it's from the factory, brand new. No signs of wear, no scratching, no dings. It's common with trim like this that you'll see a lot of scratches around this area where people are reaching for the handbrake. As you can see, it looks great. So I'll pop this little storage tray. You have a power outlet and a good amount of storage. And it's the same story in the center console. You have a power outlet there and a media connector, which will run media to this screen and through the speakers. This car is also fitted with a fully power sunroof, which is controlled just up here. Now if you pull this switch up towards the ceiling, pops it open, you get a nice little ventilation. And then if you twist this knob, it's fully automatic operation. It'll open And it deploys the wind deflector here, which keeps it very quiet in this interior while the sunroof is open. Actually gives it a nice open top experience. Now, you also have a sunglasses holder, or whatever you prefer to put in there. Close the sunroof up. And you can see the vinyl on these seats is in excellent condition. See where people come in from rubbing the side bolsters when they get in the car. Normally you'll see a lot of wear there. That's not the case with this vehicle. The seats look factory fresh. I'll give you a look at the driver's seat. It's the same story in the driver's seat. See the full power controls. See the bolsters are in excellent shape. Headliner looks great. Go around to the back seats. Now you do, in the back you have a third seat belt to accommodate a center passenger. So all in all, you could fit about 5 people in this vehicle comfortably. There's plenty of leg room. I'm 6'4". That's the position I drive this vehicle in, and I can still hop in the back without an issue. Now, if you don't plan on having a third passenger in the rear, you could pull down this armrest. Also has a few cup holders. Everything's in beautiful shape. We'll go around to the trunk. You can see there is a 60-40 split on the rear seats. They do fold down using this switch located here and over here. Now this car has also been fitted from the factory with the Volkswagen Cargo Protection System. Now this includes this trunk mat here, which is made with a special material to accommodate these dividers. Now these dividers can be set up in a variety of different orientations, and they lock down pretty well. And this means you can sort of build a separate compartment in your trunk. If you're trying to store some small items and some other large items that you'd like to stay separated, they do remove fairly easily. Just pick up on them. It is a Velcro system. And it does come with a whole nother package of these dividers. See, floor mats are in good shape as well. No salt on the edges. Close this down. So yeah, we hope you'll come check out this Volkswagen. Beautiful car, looking for a good owner. I know somebody will be very happy with this car when they get to drive right past the gas station. So come on down to AlphaCars, New Hampshire. I'd love to see you. Come talk to Mike or Rodolfo in sales. We hope to make you a very happy customer, put you in this beautiful car. Thank you for your time.